In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate on Google Drive. Whether you're working on a school project, coordinating with colleagues, or just sharing files with friends and family, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to manage access to your files and collaborate with others in real time. First, after you've logged into your Google Drive, take a moment to locate and click on the New button. This option typically appears on the left-hand side of your Drive view, above the list of files and folders. Clicking New will allow you to create a new file or add items from your computer to Google Drive. For our purposes, ensure the file you wish to share is already uploaded and visible within your Drive. Next, to start sharing your document, right-click on the file you want to share and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Share. This action opens the sharing settings for your selected file, which is a crucial step in controlling who can access and edit your file. When the sharing settings open, you'll see a section labeled General Access with a default setting of Restricted. This setting means that only people explicitly added by email can view or edit the file. For broader access, click on Restricted. A drop-down menu will appear with more options. Now, choose Anyone with the link. This is ideal if you want to share the file without specifying individual email addresses, or if you're unsure who might need access. By selecting this option, anyone who has received the link will be able to view or edit the file, depending on the permissions you set. Next, you'll want to copy the sharing link to distribute it. Find the Copy Link button, which is generally located near the bottom right section of the Sharing Settings window. When you click it, the link will be automatically copied to your clipboard, ready for pasting into an email, chat, or any other form of communication. It's worth noting that after you copy the link and before you exit, you might want to quickly configure the level of access. Below the link, there's often a drop-down menu for selecting whether link recipients can view, comment, or edit. Choose the level of control you're comfortable with, and that suits your collaboration needs. Finally, conclude this process by clicking the Done button, which will finalize the changes and close the sharing settings window. And that's it! You've successfully set up a file on Google Drive to be shared and collaborated on. Remember, Google Drive saves your permission settings automatically, so there's no need to worry about unsaved changes. By following these steps, sharing and collaborating on Google Drive should be seamless and efficient. Thank you for joining me, and happy collaborating!